ಹಲೋ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಂಬುದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಲೈವ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಅಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಹಿಡಿತ್ತೆ ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ಪೇನ ಇಜ್ಜೆ ಅಂದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಕಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈ ದುಬೈ ಬೈದೇರು ಕಾರ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೈದೇರಾರು ಇನಿ ಕ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನಿ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆದ ಲಂಚ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಮೂರು ಬೈದ ಅರೆಡ ಪಾತ್ರಗೈತೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಬುದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ. ಸೊ
I'm going to say in English, you told that, right? Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Okay, sir. How was the experience of Karkada?
Karkada was quite very nice. There's a lot of students who had a lot of questions. So I think I'll answer. The success of any session is after you do the session, there are some personal questions. So altogether around 15 to 20 children, right?
Yes.
Was there with personal questions. So as long as the doubts are clear, I've done justice to Karkada at the end.
How was the Karkada place?
Karkada place is beautiful as usual, greenery. It was raining, so that is how it was. Yeah.
So nowadays students ask, we also want to start a YouTube channel. So you are the experienced person. What you suggest students?
See, first of all, you should not look at your followers and subscribers. That is the biggest problem most of the children have who want to start. They're always after, I have this many followers, I have 10 followers, 20 followers. If the followers doesn't go up, you get demotivated.
Yes.
First thing is, you should have good content and give what people want. So when you give what people want, they will listen.
Yes.
If it is good content, they will share.
Yes.
So the concept about YouTube have its own strategy, YouTube have its own SEOs going on. If you learn that, great.
Yes.
But if you have a strong audience, they will share your message. So the
So
more they share, more the value. So each video should have something valuable or entertainment or whatever you do, so that it adds more value from that.
any age can start the YouTube channel.
There is small kids also having YouTube channel. There's no age. Age is not a factor. Entertainment, right? When you say YouTube, one biggest point is entertainment.
Yes.
So people like new things. People get fresh things. If you keep doing the same thing again and again, people will get bored. They will unfollow you also.
Yes.
So the point is, you should not about likes. It's not about dislikes. It's not about subscribers. I am giving some value. Keep giving that value, and as long as the audience increases, great. Always change your value, because that time you're not getting the right way to do it.
From you also have a more subscriber and YouTube channel. So who is your inspiration?
My inspiration, I don't have any specific inspiration. For me, each one of you asking me these questions inspires me more. Like yes, today's students, altogether we talk to 300 students, they are my inspiration. They end with a smile, or they end with the answer which they're looking for. That is my true inspiration. I inspire by the people's interest to know more about it, to know more about positivity. That inspires me more than anything else. No specific person, right? In everyone there is a divine. I respect that, and they are the one. I get inspiration from.
So this is your first experience to come Karkada.
This is my first one.
Visiting India.
India I visit quite often, so I'm doing a tour, all India tour right now. So I started in Bangalore, now come here, so Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and then I go to North India. So I'm doing a big tour all around India, doing these sessions completely, giving back to the community. So yeah, it's going that way. India I quite come quite often and stay there.
How is India's culture?
India's culture, I'm an Indian, so that won't be a question. So obviously India is one of the most diverse culture which you have, and and diversity is the power. There are different people of different culture, religion, and how they're all living together in a very peaceful. Obviously there'll be differences, but at the end of the day, it's not. The whole place is blowing away,
Yes.
right? So that's the beauty of that place, and my concept is life is all positive. So there's positive in everything and in everyone,
Yes.
and that is always there in India more than any other country.
Here we often use Kannada language. So can I teach you Kannada?
Teach me Kannada. No, you can try. I don't know Kannada, so I don't know Kannada at all. So
We welcome Namaste in Namaste. So Namaste Karkada.
Namaste Karkala.
We say how are you in Hegiddiri.
Hey Giddi.
Hegiddiri.
Hey Giddi.
So like this we speak, and we speak in Tulu also. I do videos in Tulu language. In welcoming Tulu, Namaskara.
Namaskara.
if any questions from audience, you can comment and ask. We will answer it. मेरे दुबई देर सो मेरे बेसिकली इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर ओल्ड टूर पूरा मल्पेर मेरे इंक मस्त सपोर्ट मल्पेर सो एन्न दुम्मुद ಚಾನಲ್ मस्त सपोर्ट मल्पेर मेरे नोट लाइव ला बೈದೆ ಅನ್ दुम्मुला सो फर्स्ट टाइम मीट अन्न बारी खुशी अंड सो I met you first time. It's an pleasure, sir.
Thanks to God.
What about next? You started a NGO, so what is next step of it?
So why I started the NGO is more about spreading this positive faster. So many youth like you came forward wanting to spread it more positively. So people who are part of the NGO becomes a part of it and understand more about positivity because life is all positive, which we say. So that main intention is how can I create more people who understands the concept, regardless of religion, regardless of politics, understands that humanity is the most biggest thing, and bring that humanity within each one of us. So that keeps spreading out. So can I create more of me, or so that they can spread their community positively or whichever way it is. So that's the reason I started. Many youth actually pushed me that they want to work, they want to be a part of it, they want to be like me. I said okay fine, let's do this from that way, and work it out and spread it to this world.
So I heard so many of you have depression. You have as to give solution to them. So if anyone can contact you.
Yeah, anyone can contact me. As I know, I do it all as giving back to the community. I don't charge anything for any of my session till the rest of my life. Many people think that to get my subscribers I'm doing it all for free. But 10 years, 20 years, as long as I'm alive, anywhere around the world, most focus on India. My sessions are all, as a giving back to the community, nothing more. It is just to end people with beautiful smiles, understanding life, so their family is figured out. So if I change one person like you, your life, your family life, you get married to someone, that family gets figured out. So, and your kids will come and they will share that positive around. So it's more revolved around that, more than anything else.
So when you started this Life is All Positive?
Life is All Positive Life is All Positive, the NGO just 3 months ago.
And
But
YouTube.
this thing, YouTube maybe 1 year ago. First I started Facebook, then Instagram, then YouTube.
Only 1 year.
No, 3 years altogether.
3 years.
3 years. So Instagram is more about, YouTube I just started lately. Because I have a WhatsApp group of almost 11,000 people. So obviously that 11,000 people will automatically come into my
Yes.
YouTube, and that's how I have that group.
So subscribers. So if anyone wants to be part of the NGO, they can join.
Yeah, we have a website which is called lifeisallpositive.org or liap.org. You can obviously read about what we do. And you have my personal website also, deepashni.com, so you can see what I have been doing. So it's last 3 years I've been doing what I've been doing, and now it's slowly getting bigger.
No registration fees, all about free.
Nothing is free. What we say in our foundation is that you have free time. Let's all use our free time. Make your name famous. So whatever you're contributing to us, we give 100% credit to people also. Like if you give an artwork, whatever we'll say this artwork is done. If someone translates an article, we'll say this is translated by you. So most NGOs don't get credit. So ours is a no fund also. We won't collect money from anyone also.
Free of
It is completely time. You have free time, we'll tell you how to utilize it so that can be beneficial to people. Right? So normally I don't promote anything what I do. It is all word of mouth, but Sharon is asking all these questions, so I'm answering, but I'm not supposed to promote what I do. It's all word of mouth.
People wants to know, some hesitate to ask.
Yeah.
So,
True. Yeah, that's the beauty of life. That's the problem. Asking is a very important factor of life, and you need to ask so that you can grow in the best possible way, and that will actually help you.
so next you are coming to Karkala?
Yes, based on I come and go to Muduvedi most of the time, where you have the Alva College, so they call me on a yearly basis, and that's the reason I'm here. I think this is my second visit over here, and it's going that way. So for me, wherever people call, I come. Wherever the session needs to be arranged, I come.
Wherever.
wherever around India. It's basically people wanting to know about life and positivity.
Yes.
Any group, any age. I've done sessions to 5th grade students to 60-year-old group of adults, regardless of age, because everyone wants to know positivity, everyone is searching for positivity, and my duty is to do justice to that people.
Any 2 sentences for students as a motivation?
For students, first thing what most of the people are trying, today's youth is trying to be like someone else.
Yes.
You want to try to be like a celebrity, you want to try to be like a rich person. The more you try to become someone else, the more you lose your true value. And when you have lost your true value, you're completely lost anyways. So God or universe, what we say, has given you a certain talent, certain strength. Try to realize that. And be the best you that you can be. Not like, okay, you can learn from people, but don't be a copycat, or don't try to be like someone. Like, I hear stories, people don't have money, but the neighbor has a car, they take a loan and buy a car. Just because they have a car. So the world is going in that way. They're not living their life, they're trying to live how other people are trying to live. So you'll never be satisfied because it's not you living, it's living for someone else. So whatever you want to do it because you love doing it. That's first point. Stop comparing your life. Comparison is the biggest thing which is destroying more. He has a good hair, I also want a good hair. He looks like that, I also want to look like that. How are you looking? If you're happy with it, learn to love yourself, and when you begin to love yourself, you will begin to love the whole world.
So when you said compare, I remember one thing. People start something new, they have talent, but they don't get support. When they get little discouraged, they leave the hopes and stop doing it.
That is because they don't love what you do. Did you ever stop your birthday celebration? Like that, whatever you are, you celebrate birthday because birthday is important.
Yes.
Right? Same way that what you're starting is not that important for you. So if it's not that important for you, you are going to, small thing will come, you will just keep doing.
Yes.
So the question you got to understand is, why am I doing what I'm doing? Right?
If we do in our love, we will succeed in future also.
No, but sometimes when you do with love also, you should make sure your support system, your family, some male is there after marriage, they do what they love, but they forget their family. It shouldn't be that way.
Yes,
It should be a balance.
How to manage it.
And that balance is what positive. You become the richest man, but you have no help.
Yes.
Because you have that. So those are the things you got to focus on more than anything.
You also have another session also.
Yeah, after this I have to rush to another session also. So
Doing continuous session won't be tired.
again, when you do what you love doing, like if you what is your favorite thing?
Doing
To do.
videos.
You're doing videos. Do you get tired? So he's a coder. When you love what you're doing, the time doesn't
Yes.
bother you, right? Because the energy will automatically come because you're self-motivated, because you love doing the self-motivation kicking. When the self-motivation kicks in, then you are automatically
Yes.
getting driven by that artist. They will sit 5 days continuously drawing without any disturbance because they get into the flow. They don't need food also. They will get into the flow.
Yes.
Once you get into the flow, then there's no time. Only physical tiredness you'll have,
Yes.
but not net mental tired. But 90% of the people are tired not because of physical. Mentally they get tired and they say, I can't do it.
So I will end this session. So sir have another session. पूरा जनक thanks. Year पूरा मोल live उल्लेर. बोका इंक support मालतों दे इकुले. ಒಂದು video निकुल share मालतले. बोका येना channel subscribe मालतले. So thank you for coming and help for life.
Yeah.